How to crochet a classic granny square, easy step-by-step beginner crochet tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet one of the most iconic crochet motifs of all time, the classic granny square. Whether you're just learning to crochet or you've been stitching for years, granny squares are a fun and relaxing project. They're perfect for using up leftover yarn and can be turned into blankets, pillows, bags, cardigans, table runners, and so much more. This will show you how to make a traditional granny square using 3 colors, but you can also make yours in one solid color if you prefer. You'll find the complete written pattern, along with links to even more free and premium granny square patterns, in the description below. Granny squares are one of the most recognizable and beloved crochet motifs in the world. First popularized generations ago, these simple yet versatile squares have remained a favorite because they're easy to learn, quick to make, and perfect for using up leftover yarn. Whether you choose vibrant colors for each round or keep things classic with a single shade, every granny square has its own unique charm. From cozy blankets and colorful throws to bags, sweaters, pillows, and home decor, granny squares can be joined together to create countless projects. They're an excellent choice for beginners learning the basics of crochet, while experienced crocheters enjoy experimenting with different colors, stitches, and layouts. Once you've mastered the classic granny square, you'll have the foundation for creating beautiful handmade projects for years to come. Let's gather our supplies and get started. Materials you will need. Let's check out what you need for today's project. J6 crochet hook. Worsted weight yarn. I'm using basic stitch premium yarn in Opal, Goldmine, cream, scissors, yarn needle for weaving in ends. Each finished 6-inch granny square uses approximately 10 grams, or about 22 yards, of worsted weight yarn. Keep in mind that your yarn usage may vary depending on your tension, hook size, and yarn choice. Round 1. We'll begin by creating our foundation ring. Chain 4. Join with a slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. Now chain 2. This counts as your first double crochet. Work 2 double crochets into the center of the ring. Chain 2. Work 3 double crochets into the ring. Chain 2. Repeat that sequence 2 more times. You should now have 4 groups of 3 double crochets with chain 2 corners. Finish by joining with a slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 2. If you're changing colors, fasten off here. If you're continuing with the same color, simply slip stitch into the nearest corner space round 2. Attach your Goldmine yarn to any corner space. Chain 2 to count as your first double crochet. Work 2 more double crochets into the same corner. Chain 2. Then work another 3 double crochets into that same corner. Chain 2. Move to the next corner and repeat. 3 double crochets. Chain 2. 3 double crochets. Chain 2. Continue around all 4 corners. Join with a slip stitch to the beginning chain. If changing colors, fasten off. Otherwise, slip stitch into the next corner space. At the end of round 2, you'll have 24 double crochets. Round 3. Attach your cream yarn in any corner. Chain 2. Work 2 double crochets into the same corner. Chain 2. Work another 3 double crochets into that corner. Now chain 1. In the side space between corners, work 3 double crochets. Chain 1. In the next corner, work 3 double crochets. Chain 2. 3 double crochets. Chain 1. Then work 3 double crochets into the side space. Continue this pattern all the way around. Join with a slip stitch. You'll now have 36 double crochets, and your classic granny square is really starting to take shape. Round 4. If you'd like a larger square, continue with another round. Stay with the cream yarn or switch to another color. In each corner, work 3 double crochets. Chain 2. 3 double crochets. Along each side, work chain 1. 3 double crochets into each space. Continue around all 4 sides. Join with a slip stitch. You'll now have 48 double crochets, border round. To finish the square with a clean edge, chain 2. Work 1 double crochet in every stitch and space across each side. In every corner, work 2 double crochets. Chain 1. 2 double crochets. Continue all the way around. Join with a slip stitch to complete the border. Your finished square now has 76 stitches around the outside, finishing your project. Now simply weave in all of your yarn ends. Your classic granny square is complete. Make one or make hundreds. Mix colors, use scrap yarn, or create beautiful solid color squares. Once you've made enough, you can join them together to create blankets, tote bags, scarves, pillows, sweaters, table runners, and so many other fun crochet projects. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials, free patterns, yarn inspiration, and project ideas every week. Don't forget to check the description below where I've included the written pattern, along with links to even more free and premium granny square patterns to inspire your next project. Thanks so much for watching, and happy crocheting. I'll see you in the next video.